Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Xbox app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Xbox application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the store page. From here, if you wish to change your gamer tag or your username, click on your account icon at the top left corner and then click on View Profile. Within the View Profile page, you will be able to see your profile. Just click on the Settings button at the left side and now you will see the Change Gamer Tag button. Go ahead and click on it and this will open up the link within your browser. You will then be allowed to enter your new gamer tag as well. Go ahead and type in your desired gamer tag and then click on Check Availability. If this gamer tag that you have just entered is available, you will see the Change Gamer Tag button. Go ahead and click on it and then your gamer tag or your username will be changed within your Xbox account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.